how to add comments in Canva. So first, go to Canva and then just open up one of your designs. So for example, this is my design and I want to add a comment to this. So what you can do here is just right click anywhere and then click on comment here. Okay, or you can just press Ctrl plus Alt plus N on your keyboard, and then so just click on that and then you can begin typing in any of the comment that you want to type. So for example, I'm going to type in test here, test comment, and then you can also mention someone, add an emoji, add a sticker, and then open the formatting for your text. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so once you've done that, you can just click on this one, submit comment, or just press enter on your keyboard. Oh wait, press this one, and then there you go. Now you have a comment. So if you want to check if someone commented, you can just once you open your design, you can see a bubble like this one. You just click on that and then you'll see their comment here. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.